Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another powerful weight loss video. Now, in this video, you guys, I'm going to show you how to drop 12 pounds in only 15 days. And this is using some really powerful ingredients. This is a powerful fat burner. It's going to melt that belly fat naturally, and you can drink this a few times for the day, 2 to 3 times if you choose, but preferably in the morning on an empty stomach 20 minutes before you eat breakfast. Okay, that's the start of the day. So let me show you how to blend this wonderful, powerful fat burning drink. Now, as you can see, we're going to be working with our personal size NutriBullet blender. So I'm going to be using my, I think it's a 24-ounce cup, not really sure. Okay, doesn't have any markings on it. All right, so we're going to start off with adding 1 cup of water. I'm going to pop that in there. Okay, and we're going to be working with our turmeric. Now you're going to need just maybe about an inch of turmeric or a teaspoon of turmeric. All right, and what I like to do is I like to skin my roots, whether it's ginger root or turmeric root. I like to skin it. Okay, so now we're ready for our turmeric. Now you're just going to chop that up a little bit, just so that it can work its way through the blender blades. Okay, next we're going to take a half a lemon and we're going to juice it. So you're going to squeeze the juice of half a lemon inside your blender cup. You may see 12 pounds or more in 15 days. All right, next we're going to be using our black pepper. Okay. And we're going to be adding in 1/4 teaspoon of our black pepper. Now we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of our honey. I'm just going to squirt that in there. Okay, not much, but 1 teaspoon. Now we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of our apple cider vinegar from my favorite place, Bragg's. And for a more powerful punch, we're going to be using our orange. Okay, and we're only going to need a half an orange in this. Only going to need a half. So you're going to squeeze. If you have an orange squeezer, that's good. If not, you know what? See, I'm going to just use the inside meat of the orange. So you can actually peel your orange just to add a little bit more pulp in there. And you get all the fiber of the fruit. I don't like to waste my fruit. So squeezing oranges in this, no. I want that fiber effect. And this is full of vitamin C, y'all. Okay. And now we're going to blend this up. That honey settled right there at the bottom. So I'm just going to shake that up real quick. if you have a smaller blender cup, that's even better because we're not really working with a lot today. And now you're going to get your mug and we're going to pour this directly in. Very easy, powerful fat burning recipe. And you get your metal straw. This is a delicious morning drink. You can taste a little of the black pepper. It's good. It's really good. Definitely taste the pulps, a little bit of the pulp of the orange, but this is delicious. You drink this in the morning on an empty stomach. You can have this as a breakfast replacement, or you can drink this in the morning and then later on, you know, 20 minutes, 30 minutes later, have a very light breakfast, okay? But I suggest doing this as a morning breakfast drink because the lemons is going to make you feel fuller. Have this in the morning as a breakfast smoothie. Delicious. Okay, so you drink this every day for 15 days and you can lose 12 pounds and more drinking this. Okay, it's going to shed that weight. Also, don't forget to eat light, healthy meals. With all of these teas and detoxes you're drinking, you must eat healthy in order to see the results that you're looking for. Be consistent and you will see results. This is going to flatten your stomach down. It's going to shape you. It's going to make you go. It's going to get rid of that water retention and bloating. All right. So you guys, I thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey. And check down below for the affiliate links, the Amazon affiliate links for the personal size, full size blender and these wonderful metal straws. You will also see some apple cider vinegar down there, some lemon juice down there, and more stuff. And also check out my eBay store where you will get wonderful herbs and spices and honeys that's going to boost your body up, help you to lose that weight. I got powerful herbs down there, so check it out. Check it out. I got so many of you have already been down there shopping, and I tell you, I've restocked up on everything. So check down in the eBay store. You're going to be amazed. Also, I have some clothes down there, shoes down there for those of you ladies who are interested in buying those things. If I know this is a time right now, but if you see something down there, it's available. As well as check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care videos, skincare videos, fashion hauls, family challenges, and more. Don't forget your big sis and auntie loves you. And until the next video, I will see you then. Welcome YouTube family, this is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.